Yeah, 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 yeah. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. It's all good, Paul. It's all good. I think I'm gonna go home and change me in some new pants and shoes, huh? What do you think? Bubba. Bubba. Hmm?
43.
You okay?
She called that pony yet? Negative. Come out with it,
Still out with the pony. It's okay. We should call you Maverick. It's a wild pony. Are you Maverick? Hi, Mav. Hi, Mav. I think that's big enough. Is that big enough for your head? Go. Hi.
You have the horse now.
Now what are we going to do? Oh. We're going to walk you there? Buddy. Come on. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Eat. It's not even on tight. Bobby! What are we doing? How about some tranquilizer for you? Huh? How about some tranquilizer for you? Baby? What's the matter? You just grumpy? You haven't had enough coffee? It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. I'm not hurting you. Come on. Let's go to the truck. Come on. Good boy. One step at a time. You're all right. You're okay. Good boy. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. One step at a time. Come on. Good boy. There you go. You're okay. Yeah, you bit your lip, didn't you? There is a ramp on the side of the box. A ramp on the side of the box. If you could pull it out and put it up on there.
Oh, ramp.
Ramp, yeah. Okay. Good boy. See?